तृतीय क्रमांक दिला गेला आहे ईशान मांडके, पॅराडाईज प्रायमरी स्कूल नहरे. विषय आहे माझी आई. बक्षिसाचं स्वरूप आहे 401 रुपये रोख. प्रमाणपत्र आणि सन्मान चिन्ह देऊन मान्यवरांच्या हस्ते त्याला सन्मानित केलं जातं.
Morning everyone, my name is Ishan Yogesh Manke. I am studying in first standard. I am going to tell about my mother. I, Mama and Mom, 3 names and 1 heart full of love. My mother name is Slopnali. She loves me very much. She takes good care of me. She helps me in studies. She teaches me good things. I love you so much because she is always there for me. I am lucky to have her. She is a best mom in the world. I love you so much. I am say few lines in Marathi. आयुनती